The Maytag washer error code F6E2 indicates a control unit problem, which can be caused by a system glitch, faulty wiring connections, or a malfunctioned control unit. To fix this error, start by resetting the washer. Pause the wash cycle, unplug it from the power socket, and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before powering it back up. Next, inspect the electrical wiring connection of the control unit by unplugging the washer and removing the top or front panel to access it. Test the control unit for continuity and check if the wiring connection is done correctly. Making any necessary adjustments. Look for loose, burnt, frayed, or corroded wires and replace damaged ones with new ones. If the issue persists, the control unit itself may be faulty and need to be replaced. To do this, unplug the washer, remove the top or front panel, test the control unit for continuity, and replace it with a new one if necessary. Additionally, inspect the control unit for any damage and replace damaged elements with new ones. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be best to contact a professional for further guidance.